What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about this crypto here called Propy, which has gained an insane amount of value over the last not even 24 hours, probably over the last 5-6 hours. As you can see, it is currently trading at just below 50 cents and has gone up nearly 90% in the last 24 hours. So we're going to be going through why has it pumped so much. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it time to invest into it? Is it too late? Or on the other hand, if you are on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can Propy go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. As you can see, the market is down just over 2% in the last 24 hours, with all the major cryptos being down as well, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, ADA, BNB, so on and so on. But yeah, some cryptos are up today, with Propy being one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour itself, he managed to gain a massive 14% in a single hour, which is absolutely crazy. Over the last day, 85%, over the week, 78%, and over the month, just about 53%. So yes, it has been volatile, but over the last 3, 4, 5 hours, it has gone absolutely crazy and has gained an insane amount of value. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 500%, making it $2 million, guys. Again, of course, we are going to see the trading volume go up, and it's likely to go even higher over the coming hours as more and more people start to trade the crypto. As you can see, it's only started pumping about a couple of hours ago and it's still ongoing. So once more and more people get to know about it, we are going to see more investors, more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it is one of the top trending cryptocurrencies right now. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which gives us the average value of Propy, which is here in purple at just about 29 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here at 49 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange now looking very steep, guys, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. But as mentioned in plenty of my videos, whenever you see the MACD indicator looking this steep, either going in a bullish or bearish direction, that means it's not realistic. And the exact same applies here to Propy. The MACD indicator is not realistic because it's looking too steep. The reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's been taking place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks this crypto is going to keep going that way, it's going to keep pumping, so on and so on. However, that is not what I'm expecting. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Propy to have dropped back down in value to around 40 cents in target, is what I'm expecting Propy to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow. However, that does not mean it's going to stop pumping right now. It's likely to pump up higher than 50 cents, potentially up to about 53, 54, 55 cents over the next couple of hours, before it slowly starts to drop back down to around the 40 cents target in the early hours of tomorrow. So do expect it to be quite volatile, but again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Now, Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Exact same, we've got both the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards a bullish direction, meaning once again it is not realistic. Again, over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by mid next week, I'm expecting Propy to again have gone for an overall drop in value, potentially to have dropped back down to around 30 to 35 cents in target is where I'm expecting Propy to be trading at by mid next week. And again guys, that doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit green days in between as well, up and down, quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So once again, an overall drop in value is what is expected. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again guys, we are looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning it's not realistic. Once again guys, this increase in the last 5-6 hours has made the graph go crazy, which it has. But again, over the next, let's say 6 to 8 weeks, so let's say late August, early September 2023, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Propy. But again, nothing too crazy, nothing too major like this chart here. What I'm expecting in the next 2 to 3 months is Propy to be hitting the dollar mark guys. So yes, doubling in value is where I'm expecting Propy to be trading at by early to mid September 2023. However, this of course depends on how the crypto market performs as well. For example, if there's a major crash or a bull run or a price bump, these things will have a major positive or negative impact, not just on Propy but the whole crypto market in general. And anything like that, I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for the long term for Propy. However, for the short term, I am expecting it to drop back down in value. So for those of you guys who are looking to invest into it right now because it's pumping in value and you guys think you can make that quick money, personally I would avoid that. But again, it's entirely up to you what you guys want to do. If you feel like it's going to pump up higher and you can make that quick money, go for it. But you have to bear in mind, cryptocurrency is a very volatile market, and the number one rule is do not invest more than what you can afford to lose. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Propy guys. Comment down below, when are you guys expecting Propy to be hitting the dollar mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.